Yeah, you ready to try this?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually really good.
Is it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It tastes just like a dill pickle. Hello guys, my name is Erica and welcome to our channel, Everything Home and Garden. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about cucumbers. So it is the end of August and we have cucumbers galore coming out of our garden. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick 30-minute project and make some refrigerated cucumber pickles. After harvesting the cucumbers from the garden, you want to make sure that you wash them off. This helps get rid of any dirt, and you want to make sure you rub off any of the bumpy stuff on the skin. Next, you want to cut off the ends of the cucumber and then slice them either into thin slices or thick slices depending on what you prefer. If you are fancy and have a mandolin, you can also use that to cut them into slices. To add some extra flavor, I added 1 clove of garlic into each jar along with some green onion. Now it's time to pack the jars full of the sliced cucumbers. Now I prefer to pack them as tightly as I can because I really like pickles. For the brine, we use Mrs.Wages dill pickle seasoning packet. Simply just follow the instructions on the back, which was 2 cups of water, 3/4 cups vinegar, and then the 2-ounce seasoning packet. Now this only made 1 quart, so I'd highly recommend going with the 6-ounce packet because it tasted very good. For the rest of the brine, we just used the same recipe that we used in our pickling banana pepper video. After filling the jars with the brine, wait till they reach room temperature before placing them into the fridge. So these pickles taste the best if you let them sit in the fridge for 1 week to marinate, and they are good for up to 6 weeks if you don't eat them all by then. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.